Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing topic, YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel without being on camera or editing every single video yourself, this video is for you. Stay till the end, because I'll walk you through everything from idea generation to making money, step by step. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the process of creating and running a YouTube channel without personally doing all the work. You can outsource tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and editing, or use AI tools to do them for you. For example, imagine a top 10 amazing facts channel. You don't need to be on camera. You come up with the topic, get the script written, use AI for the voiceover, and edit it using pre-made templates or hire freelancers. It's smart content creation with minimal manual effort. Tools you need for automation: topic and idea generation. Tools: ChatGPT. Answer with the public. Google Trends. Find trending or evergreen content ideas with just a few clicks. Script writing. Tools: ChatGPT. Jasper.ai. Get high-quality scripts quickly, either through AI or freelance writers. Voiceovers. Tools: ElevenLabs. Murf.ai. Generate human-like AI voiceovers or hire voice actors on Fiverr. Video editing. Tools: Pictory.ai, InVideo, Canva. These platforms let you drag and drop stock videos, text overlays, and music. No technical editing skills needed. Thumbnails and titles. Tools: Canva, Photoshop, Thumbnail Blaster. Eye-catching thumbnails plus optimized titles equals more views. Scheduling and uploading. Tools: YouTube Studio, TubeBuddy, Hootsuite. Plan and schedule your content weeks in advance. AI versus freelancers. What should you use? If you're aiming for quality and consistency, sometimes AI alone isn't enough. You can hire freelancers for specific tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and editing. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com. If you're on a budget, start with AI tools. They're fast, cheap, and improving every day. How do you earn money from an automated channel? YouTube ad revenue via partner program, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, or courses selling digital products, for example, ebooks, templates, narration. Just like any regular YouTube channel, automated channels can earn from multiple income streams. The key is consistency, good content, and following YouTube's policies, legal tips, and ethical practices. Always use really free stock videos, music, and images, or buy licenses. Avoid copying copyrighted content. YouTube can demonetize or even ban channels. Be transparent if you're using AI, especially for voiceovers and factual content. Finally, if you're looking to work smart and build passive income over time, YouTube automation is a fantastic option. But remember, quality and originality matter. The competition is tough, but with the right tools and mindset, you can make it. If you want me to create a full automation tutorial series, showing each tool and process live, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more value-packed content. Catch you in the next video. Take care.